everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet, where we talk about anything and everything that has to do with yarn. So, today is 12/12/2022, and yes, you will notice a difference in my background. It is completely empty, but soon that's going to be my crafting corner. I have a new chair and whatnot coming, so eventually it will look not so plain. Anyways, I do not have a tutorial for this hat. This hat is store-bought. I do not have a tutorial for this vest. This vest was a gift to me from my good friend Gary from the YouTube channel Urban Yarns. It is knitted. Check out his channel. He is amazing. He is one of my favorite YouTube channels. I will put a link to his channel below. But I do have a crochet cable sweater, if you're interested in that. I have it modeled on my husband, but it can be for a man or a woman. So I'll put a link to that in the description box as well. And make sure you sub to Gary. You'll love him. And Gary, love you. Love the sweater too. All right. So today I'm going to show you some, well, it's kind of a mystery yarn. And I'm going to tell you what, it's a good deal because today, this is from Hirschner's. They have a coupon code too, a killer coupon code. I didn't get to use it on this one, but they have a coupon code today. I don't know how long it lasts. But anyway, so if you go to Hirschner's, you're going to see, and you type this in, self-striping cotton cake mill-in yarn pack. All right. And what it is, I think, let's open it up and look first before I tell you what it is. I'm just really excited. Someone told me about this, I don't know when, last week, the week before. And I got around to ordering some. And I was super excited. I don't know if I used a coupon code on it or not. I know there was, I don't think I used the one, I know I did. No, I didn't use the one they have now. All right. Oh, they're not all the same. They're not all the same. How exciting is this? Okay, so yes, shipping. Yeah, I did have a discount. Okay, I only had a 10% off code, but that's okay. That's better than nothing. Okay. So you go to Hirschner's, I'm so excited to look at it, and you type in self-striping cotton cake mill-in yarn pack. So what it is, it's 2 of the cotton cakes that you know, like you would get from Hobby, those real nice ones, they're like 40 bucks a piece, or those yarn art ones, you know, but they don't have a label, okay, but it says that they're cotton. There's 2 of them in a pack for $11.99. 2 for $11.99. But Hirschner's has a coupon code. I just got it in my email today for 24% off. Yeah. Remember, today's 12/12. So, the 24% off is the number 2, and then all caps, X better. 2X better. And that would get you 24% off that $11.99 for 2 cakes. I'm going to have to get some more. That is a killer deal. I'll put that coupon code below too. I'm going to try to remember all that, but I have a short-term memory, so it doesn't work out. Let's see what we got. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is one pack. Self-striping cotton cake mill-ins. It says 100% cotton, approximately 225 grams, 450 total, 225 each, approximately 875 yards per cake or 800 meters, number 2 weight. So I get it does have a little less yardage than a Cotton King has. About, what do they have, like 1,000? A couple hundred, 875. Well, not much less, about 125 less. That is still plenty to make a shawl, and it's 100% cotton. What a deal! Oh, let's look at the pretty ones I got. Want to? It doesn't look like they appear to be all the same. I mean, some of them look like they could be the same, but all right. So I got this one. Exciting! This one's beautiful. So this one's kind of gray on the outside, and then it goes to gold and white there in the center. Beautiful. So one of these would just one of these would be enough to make you a beautiful shawl, or you can make a top, but you get 2 in a pack, and it looks like the same 2 don't come in a pack, so it's a mystery. Exciting. So you get, well, none of mine so far have the same 2. Look at that. That one's really pretty. grays and pinks. Gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited. This is such a killer deal. This is a killer deal. So these are 2 weights. Remember, it feels nice. You could definitely make a top out of it. It's just like a dead ringer for a hobby cake. Those ones that are the Cotton King Deluxes that are like 40 bucks a piece, but they have like 1,000 yards, I think. These only have 875, but for $11.99, $6 a piece. No label, but who cares? It tells you all about them on the package. Right there. Plus, if you get that 24% off, that's even better. Gosh. Put that out, because that was the first pack. Here's another pack. I bought several packs so I could test them out, you know, to make sure how they came and if they were all the same. Now, a lot of these colors are colors I've never seen before. Now, there's nothing wrong with mill-in yarn. It could be yarn that was just at the end of the mill. It could have been yarn that maybe didn't turn out the exact color that they wanted it to. It could have been yarn that they ran out of labels for. It's hard telling, but there's nothing wrong with the yarn itself. So I got another one of these gray ones. So I got 2 of those now. So there we go. 2 of those. Amazing. Oh, look at this one. I've never seen this color before. Not in a hobby cake, but then again, a hobby has so many cakes, it's hard for me to find them all. Isn't that one pretty? That's like lime, hot yellow color, I would say. Like, it's a lot brighter in real life than what's kind of showing up. It's like a neon yellow, and then it fades out to blues. Very pretty. Okay, and then again, another one. See, it gives you all the deets on it. This is so exciting. Oh, I don't need any more. I won't buy any more, but man, that's a killer deal for that 24% off. So I got another one of these. It appears that they might be a little bit, some of them might be a little bit smashed up. See, it's okay. $6. And then I got 10% off of that. And then if you order today, you're going to get 24% off of that. Who could complain? So there's that. That was in one. This is in this one. And then I got another pink one. And this one. So far I both in 3 packs, and I've got 2 of these, 2 of these, and 2 of the gray and gold, but they weren't in the same packs together, so they're different. Ooh, new ones, new colors, Okay, so this one is blue, it's kind of bluish to grayish, and then the black. That's a really pretty one. I like that one. Nice. And in this same pack. Oh, this one looks familiar. Doesn't that? It looks pretty familiar to ones that I've seen on Hobby. Maybe a bit different. It's really coming out a little brighter on my end than what is showing up in the camera. I need to fix the lights in here. This is going to be my recording area from now on. So I'm going to get it all fixed up. I'll fix the lights and make them brighter. But yeah, that's nice. Alright, I'm going to set them over here. Gosh, it's so much fun. And I love it even more when they're different. And I love it when you get such a good deal on them. Gosh, these are worth all the money. Okay, so here we got, these are different too. So here's a 2-pack again. 2 different ones. So this is kind of, this one's like that blue, but it goes off to white. This is what I got in the last pack. It was like that blue, but it went off to black. I guess it's not the same. Never mind, it's not the same. That one's very pretty. I'm running out of room. Okay, I got a table here, but I got a project on it. I'm working it off my Swift, so I don't have to cake it with my ball winder. So I have this tape. Never mind. I'm just being lazy. That's why I'm doing that. I don't want to have to wind it in a cake, so I just work it off the Swift. All right. Then I got this one. This one's pretty. This looks like a flower, doesn't it? Like you'd start with, if I was going to do a bottom down shawl, you know, I'd start with the green and work my way up to the pink. But if I was going to do one that started at the top, I think I start with the pink and work my way down. So I don't have that one yet. Amazing. Amazing. There's another one. There's purple one in there. I don't have that purple one yet. How pretty are these? So I got another one of the blue and black ones. This one's like in perfect condition. So I have 2 of these now. And then I got this. Oh, this one's pretty. White, purple, and pink. That's gorgeous. Now that might look, I don't know if that looks blue to you, but it's like a royal purple. That is, and this is it's a medium pastel pink in the middle. Very pretty. So that's a new color. I'm gonna keep moving on. Here's another bag. 2 more cakes in it. So I got another one of the golden gray. This is so much better than the hobby mystery cake bags because they were cheaper, and the colors are different. You know what I mean? I haven't seen a lot, of these colors. This one's pretty. Turn it around there. That's very pretty. I like that. It's got the green and the teal green on the outside and into the white there in the center. So I don't have that one. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. They're just so interesting. Oh, okay, so I got another one of these. These are pretty, so that makes 3 of these I got. I can't keep all these, of course. I get some to my neighbor, but these blues are really with the bluish grayish out to the black. That's very beautiful. Yeah, that's black. That's not navy. I don't think. No, it does have navy, but it goes out to a black. That's beautiful. Love it. And look at this one. Isn't that one pretty? You know what this reminds me of? It kind of reminds me of, oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Not because of it, SpongeBob's yellow. It just reminds me of, like, sea colors. Like here's the sand, and then it goes out to a beautiful blue sea, ocean that I've never seen. I can only imagine that it looks like this. Pretty. This is so much fun. Okay, I only have 2 left. So I got another bag here. Ooh, I think these are melons because the colors just got messed up. I don't know, but the colors are so unique. Look at that one. That's pretty. I don't have that one. I did get doubles and triples of some, but some of these I didn't get any doubles of. There's this one. Did I already get one of these? Let me bring my card over here. I got a card. It's my crochet card. I crochet off my switch on it at night. Nope. No, I don't think I did. If I did, I don't see it. No, I didn't get this one. That is pretty too. All different colors up in there, all pastel. Beautiful. Beautiful. I guess it's not. That's pretty coral looking on the outside. Beautiful. I got one more. One more. Gosh, this is a good gift. Look at this. Look at this. Another one of these. So this is the one I got most of. But that's okay because it's pretty. I love the gold in it. And then I got this one. Which, this is the only one I've gotten from Hirschner's here. But I think I've seen this color at Hobby before. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh. And they smell so clean. I love them. I love them. All right. This is such a killer deal. Okay, remember, it is 12/12/2022 at the making of this video. I will leave a link in the comments to this sweater. Check out Gary. I will leave a link to my vest, or this vest, and crochet vest that I have a tutorial for. Check that out. I will leave a link to this particular listing at Hirschner, so you can go directly to it. $11.99 for 2 cakes. And I will leave the coupon code. I don't know how much longer it's going to last, for 24% off of these. What a deal. Thanks everybody for watching. Look for those links below, okay? Bye guys.